in the 21st century, our agenda has expanded a lot. And so what we really need is a complementary approach. And we called that doing development differently.
The workshop attracted over 230 practitioners, government, donors, CSOs, researchers and other partners from across Indonesia and Southeast Asia to share insights, experiences and lessons related to a range of specific practical issues, including building the dream team.
Our solution was to recognise that it's not possible to get necessarily all the great diverse mix of skills in one team, and especially to get all the skills that we need, the diversity of experience in one person or leader.
And being more politically astute, problem-driven and adaptive.
Kali kita itu terbentuk di masalah politik. Pada saat kita melakukan perencanaan kebijakan dan program, politik itu salah satu driven yang cukup kuat. Gitu. Nah, di sini seminar ini memasukkan unsur itu, workshop ini memasukkan unsur politik dalam pengambilan kebijakan. Saya pikir itu sebuah topik yang menarik sekali yang mengangkat tema pengaruh politik terhadap semua kebijakan kita.
Despite the varying backgrounds and perspectives of participants, a number of key messages resonated among participants.
We've seen that there are so many commonalities and common ways of talking across all of the different groups who've been discussing and finding similar challenges and similar constraints and similar ways forward, that the potential for such a broader dialogue is really possible, and I think that's important.
It's an exciting future, as development programs will be using these approaches more and more, requiring collaborative input from the government of Indonesia, as well as feedback and support to undertake iterative and adaptive programming.